Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, and remember, where everything is made with love in every stitch. I'm here with my December daily, and I'll be working on days 18 to 21, or 18 to 20, I'm sorry. So let's get started. I have a clip over here to hold this together. Now I have a tuck spot already put over here, and I have bling over here, but there's one thing I feel that I am missing on this page. I think I got it. What about a decorative edge? I need something smaller. This would be perfect. So we're going to trim it right here. Let me get my pencil and mark it. Trim it there. And we are going to glue it in. And we're going to go on to our next page. And maybe come back to add more to this one, depending on how I do on the other pages. I wanted to share that process with you to come up with something that looks fun, I guess. we need something to start off with, some sort of a piece that will help me as the starting point to work from. You got that there? Maybe I'll take this beautiful piece from my BFF. Goody, goody, goody. Let's go on to day 19, which is right here. And again, I want to put something here. How about this one? And we can make it not only a decorative edge, but a small tuck spot. So I'm going to trim it down right here. There we go. I'm only going to glue here, down here, and right there. And we got our side panel tuck spot. And I want to put something on top of here, but that's not going to obstruct too much. Nope. Change my mind. And here I am going to add, what can I add here? I don't know. Something here? No. Where is my envelope? My envelope of pockets and stuff seems to have disappeared on me. I don't see it anywhere. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Thank goodness. So, move on, Barbara. Move on. Let's see what we can find to put here. Okay, let's try a smaller size. This pocket is a little too big, but we can fix that by using our paper trimmer and trimming it down a bit. And re-gluing it. Okay, re-glue it, and now it's a perfect fit. So now we can round our corners at the top. And what I want to do is try to put a little finger punch hole here. No, that's not going to fit. Maybe this way. I'm going to do this. Ow. Well, that's a little better. Let's put this back up there, and we can trim that out. And we got our finger hole. Okay, like so. Now, do I want to put a tag in here or what? Some stores have the recycled plastic. I have a journaling card here. Right here. Will it fit is the question. No, it won't, so we're going to use our paper trimmer and trim it down a little bit and re-round the corners. I think Fonda mentioned there was an Etsy shop. There. So let's re-round our corners. I don't want to put anything on this one simply because I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. So we got that, did it? Let's ink our pocket. We have this white one from one of our museums. And our insert. I think we can do like maybe a couple more. Maybe one of this kind would be fun that have the wide bottoms. Okay. Put the cover back on that. Just put this back in here. Like so. And we're going to glue it. I have another one of these small policy envelopes. This one is obviously new. I believe this was in the US. Super fun. I think this might be the perfect project to use. Like this. And they don't always have to be folded in half. Okay. But I still want something here, but I don't know what yet. So we're just going to keep going. Maybe I just want something smaller here in the middle. We can put a tuck spot here. Question is, do I want to put a tuck spot there? We'll come back to that one later on. Okay, we got it. Oh, we got enough tuck spots on that. I guess I could always add now, that was day 18, 19. We're done day 18. You could either just do like a pamphlet stitch here, like you would do any junk journal, 3-hole pamphlet. Let's do day 20. I already have decorative stuff here, but I want something here, but not to cover here. So I was thinking this, just to put on the pocket here. Used the same method, but I think instead of gluing, she just used eyelets. So I'm going to put this right on here, and that'll be it for this page. When we bind it using that other method of just bending them like this, we lose a part of the page because we like so. That part will be glued down on every page, which I guess would be okay. Now, as the videos become available, sorry about that. Tickle, 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 tickle. As the videos post on my channel, I will go back and add links to everyone's digitals, or as I call them, printables. So we have page 18. Where is it? Done. And we have a little tucker spot there. So what I'm going to do is put some strawberry paper, and I'm gonna fold it over and just tuck it in there and have a journaling spot like so. Okay, so we have that there, a tuck spot here, tuck spot right there. We have that. We have a tuck spot here. But what can we put in that one? This one card's not done. This card is done. We can put that in there. And we have this page done. So we have 18, 19, and 20 done for today. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Um, Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And remember, you're always where everything is made with love in every stitch. And bye-bye for now.